What exactly does cost mean? In order for managers to plan, direct, and control, they need information. And the most important information that drives business decisions is information about costs. Why? Because if businesses can keep costs low and their products or services have a high value for their customers, they can maximize their profit. And it's all about profit. To keep costs low, information about costs is critical. Managers can't make decisions about the product or services they provide unless they understand the costs incurred to produce them. That understanding starts with a definition. What is a cost? A cost is the act of giving up a resource to realize an objective. What does resource given up mean? It might mean cash. That's pretty straightforward and something most of us understand because we give up cash to get something else every single day. But not all costs involve giving up money. Managers may also give up other resources. For instance, managers may give up a good, or they may give up a service. They may give up time. Think about it. Time is a resource because when you give it up to, say, watch this video, you can't now do something else. So a resource is anything, cash, goods, services, time, etc., which is given up. What does achieve an objective mean? When managers give something up, they do so in order to get something in return. What they get in return is expected to benefit the business in either the current period or a future period. For instance, if managers give up cash, they might expect to get a good or a service in return. Or if managers give up a good or a service, they might expect to get cash in return. If managers give up time, say, to develop a relationship with a new customer, they might expect a benefit in the future, such as revenue when they eventually sell a good or a service. Or if managers give up time to develop a new production process, they might expect a benefit of greater efficiencies and reduced costs in the future. Managers always strive to minimize the cost of the resources given up and maximize the value of the objective achieved. So we know what a cost is, something sacrificed in order to get something in return. And if businesses keep costs low and their products or services have a high value to their customers, they can maximize their profits. Now that we know that, we have to determine what the thing is that we are trying to cost. That's called a cost object, which I'll cover in a future video. Thank you so much for watching.